Welcome back. The market is, incrementally not doing anything. It's just been there, 50 points higher on the Nifty. The Bank Nifty, which had sort of underperformed for a bit, is now beginning to make a move once again on the higher side. So that's something to track. 245 higher on that one. Nimesh is joining in for D Street Chatter. Nimesh, tell us what have you picked up today?
Hi, Ranjana. Today is a day of bit of profit booking, and that's the overall feedback from the dealing rooms. And even in the flows, it's very evident that there is a bit of profit booking from the larger institutions as well. Largely in the financial names, which have rallied pretty hard, and some bit of profit booking in the cement stocks as well. Remember, cement was a big sector entire this week, and now you're seeing some bit of profit booking in those names. On the other side, there is a bit of sector rotation continuing. So a bit of buying is back in the technology names, and to some extent, the buying in the auto names continue. So that's the overall feedback. In terms of technical levels, both Nifty and Bank Nifty are above the crucial breakout level. So that way, that's something which is positive. But on the downside, now the support on the Nifty Bank would be around 40,000 levels. But from a flow point of view and from the overall feedback, today is a day of profit booking. Maybe it's just a one day phenomenon because of the weekend, but there is a sense of money to getting out of the table to some extent in some select names like banks and the cement stocks in today's trade.
Right. Nimesh, what about stock-specific action? What are you picking up?
So in terms of individual names, Nigel, the first stock is RBL Bank. Within the small private banks, this is one stock which has relatively outperformed today, purely on back of buy flows at an HNI. So looks like the HNI interest is back in RBL Bank after a few days of consolidation. So that's the first one. The second stock is Syngene. Post the Biocon block, that stock has been consolidating around these levels. But in terms of feedback, there is a clear feedback of some bit of buying interest back from larger institutions in Syngene after the block deal got over. So that's the second one. The third stock is IndusInd Bank. Now within the financial names, while there is some bit of profit booking in select band stocks, IndusInd Bank stands out in terms of buy flows at a leading FI desk. Plus there was a Credit Suisse note as well, where they spoke to the management, and the management is quite confident about credit growth. So bit of interest is back in IndusInd Bank from larger FIs. And the last stock is All Cargo Logistics. Mid-cap stock buzzing in trade today, up 7% last when I checked. And again, there is a bit of buying this back from larger HNIs in this particular stock, and hence a big move in that stock as well today.
Okay, Nimesh, thank you very much. This is our Friday favorite indeed.